Don't be afraid of that tile project. We're going to show you the essential tools. These tile tools are all you need. Let's go from this to this, and here's how.
You're going to use a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch to set your tiles. But for little backsplashes, V-notch, or a 1/8 inch square, your U-notches are usually somewhere in between these two on how much thin set it puts on the wall or on the floor. Your U-notches are usually somewhere in between these two on how much thin set it puts on the wall or on the floor. So, I mean, especially if you haven't done a lot of tile, it's probably best for you to read the directions on the box on what you're using, because if you use, if you don't know no better and you grab a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch big trowel,
Subscribe.
if you use, if you don't know no better and you grab a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch big trowel and go the trowel out thin set and then put some little sheets of floor tile down, you're going to have that stuff running all up in the grout lines, and it's going to be a mess.
Yeah.
But and also you always got to take in mind the money you spend on these things, they last a lot longer.
Subscribe for more tips.